In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. While Asana doesn't officially allow the assignment of a task to multiple individuals due to their philosophy of promoting accountability and clarity, by having one person responsible, there is a simple workaround. Let's dive into how you can use this method to effectively collaborate with your team in just a few steps. To begin, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, you'll want to click Get Started or Try for Free to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your main dashboard where you can view your projects and tasks. Next, navigate to the Projects section. You'll want to select the project that you're currently working on and open up the specific task that needs attention from multiple team members. Once the task is open, look towards the right-hand bottom side of the task window, where you'll notice the option labelled Add Collaborators. This feature is key to our workaround. By clicking on Add Collaborators, you can start adding teammates who need to have visibility or input on the task at hand. It's as simple as entering their email addresses or names if they're already in your Asana contacts. Adding collaborators ensures that these additional team members can view the task, offer comments, provide valuable feedback, and stay in the loop with any updates or changes made. While these collaborators won't be directly marked as responsible for completing the task, they play an essential role in keeping everything running smoothly. They're able to easily communicate within the task, allowing for seamless teamwork. This creates an environment conducive to successful project management without cluttering the accountability aspect that Asana champions. So, to encapsulate, although Asana doesn't support multiple assignees per se, using the collaborators feature is an efficient way to include everyone necessary in the task management process. This approach not only fosters effective team communication, but also ensures that every relevant person is informed and can contribute to task discussions. By following these steps, you can maintain a clear and organized project management system while involving all the contributors who need to be aware and part of the task's development and execution. Well, that's it for today's guide. I hope this short tutorial helps you utilize Asana more effectively with your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more productivity tips.